Okay, and good morning, team. So today our topic is filters. So filter means very simple concept. Simple, but 100% using the real time. Okay, so you can use 100% the Tableau desktop lo mano real time lo 100% use chesede filter anamata. Okay, now I'm going here. For example, I'm saying here. Suppose for example. Filters means it will display the required data, right? Suppose for example, మనం tea తీసుకునే example. Okay, tea చేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాము? How to prepare tea? So we need milk, right? Milk. Then tea పొడి, right? Tea పొడి. Then after మనం దీన్ని కాసిన తర్వాత మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? టీ అనేది సెపరేట్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. అలాగే ఆ పొడి అనేది పౌడర్ అనేది కూడా సెపరేట్ గా ఫిల్టర్ చేయబడుతుంది, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ వీ కెన్ అప్లై ద ఫిల్టర్. ఇక్కడ మనం ఫిల్టర్ అప్లై చేస్తాం, రైట్? అంటే ఫిల్టర్ నెట్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఈ పౌడర్ సెపరేట్ చేస్తాము, టీని సెపరేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే ఫిల్టర్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఈ రెండుని డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. సో యూ కెన్ అప్లై ద ఫిల్టర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇన్ ద tea. You can separate the tea and tea powder by using the filter. Okay, by using the filter concept. For example, in our data, suppose I'm going to data. Okay, for example, 1 2 3 4 data on the right. This is the data. You can imagine this is the data 20 30 40 50 like this. This is the data in our Excel sheet. So Excel sheet lo ee data undi. So ఇప్పుడు I want to separate ఇక్కడ నేను సెపరేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో I want to separate the 10 20 30 40. This is the one part, this is the one part. Here I can apply we can apply the filter concept here. Okay, got it? Filter concept ఇక్కడ ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ యాజ్ టీ తీసుకున్నాము, అది మిల్క్ తీసుకున్నాము, మిల్క్ లో టీ ప్లస్ టీ పౌడర్ కలుపుతాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తాము? సెపరేట్ చేయవలసింది టీ సెపరేట్ చేస్తాము, అలాగే పౌడర్ ని సెపరేట్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ యాజ్ you can apply the filter here. This is the concept of the filter. So coming to Tableau desktop, what happened in that? Coming to Tableau desktop, suppose we are going to Tableau desktop here. So this is now we are going to sheet 1. Okay, in the sheet 1, suppose I can filter into the, suppose here I'm going to subcategory or category, whatever it is, you can take the any dimensions. Okay, these are dimension fields, these are the measure field. Below the line కింద ఉన్నాయి కూడా dimension measure fields. Above the line above name kuda dimension field. Suppose I am going to separate the category. Suppose category I am taking to the row cell. See, category I am taking the row cell. So what happened here? So I wanted to separate the label, I wanted to separate the paper, I wanted to separate the tables. So what you can do? Simply you can do right click on this. Now you can apply the show filter. Then it will go into this is the filter cell. Okay, so the box నంతా కలిపి filter box అంటాం. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ డైమెన్షన్ ఫీల్డ్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ ది ఫిల్టర్ సెల్, then it will divide it to the different parts by applying the filter concept here. Okay, now edit this filter, right click, edit filters. Now I'm going to, I want to display the only paper. Okay, uncheck all. Now I want to display the paper here, check it, apply. Okay, then filter is filter out. So in the category, it will display the multiple data fields. In multiple data fields, I want to display the paper here. That is the concept. So again, clear this one. Again, content drag and drop the filter cell here. Okay, so I want to display the as here. Okay, apply. Okay, now content drag and drop in the row cell, it will display as here. Okay, now I'm going to apply the same sales or property, whatever you can apply this one. Okay, this is about the how to filter the data. So what is the filter is? Filter is nothing but simply it will display the required data. Remaining data you can hide it. That is the concept. So basic, very Malay again I'm telling you. So 1 2 3 4. Here I want to display the 1 year. Okay, so one display చేయాలనుకున్నా. Okay, display 1. Remaining data we can hide it, you can lose it. So మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? లూజ్ చేస్తామో లేదా హైడ్ చేస్తామో whatever it is. So I want to display the only one value. Remaining value you can keep it hiding or losing, whatever it is. Okay, but my answer is display the one. Got it? Here you can apply the filter. Ikkada man filter and the concept apply cheste, you can filter out the data. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, now I'm going to clear this one. Okay, again clear the sheet. Okay, now we are going to types of filters. Ikkada manaki types of filters ane konni untayi ikkada. So here 3 levels. Okay, filter is nothing but 3 types. Okay, we can divide it into 3 types. One is worksheet level filter. Okay, worksheet level filter. Second one is data source level filter. Data source. Okay, and third one is across. Okay, across multiple data source level filter. Okay, worksheet level filter, data source level filter, across multiple data source level filter. So what is the worksheet level filter? So this is the worksheet level. ఇదంతా వర్క్షీట్ అనమాట. మనం అక్కడ ఉన్నాం కదా, ఈ పేజీ అంతా వర్క్షీట్ లెవెల్. ఓకే, వర్క్షీట్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్ అంటే సో దిస్ పేజ్. సో ఈ పేజీలన్నీ కూడా వర్క్షీట్లు అనమాట. సపోజ్ యూఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ మల్టిపుల్ షీట్స్ హియర్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద వర్క్షీట్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్, రైట్? వర్క్షీట్ లో ఏదైనా విజువలైజేషన్ చేసి, సో బై అప్లైయింగ్ ది ఫిల్టర్, దట్ ఈస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యాజ్ వర్క్షీట్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్. Okay, now data source level filter means this is the data source. Okay, data source level means this is the data source level filter. So this is the data source level filter. Suppose we are going to click the data source level filter, it will show the required data in this. Okay, in this data we can apply the filter here. Okay, this is the second one. Coming to third one. Okay, Okay, coming to third one and the across multiple data source level filter, right? So across multiple data source level filter, suppose we are creating a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. So indulo manu you can apply the all the filter. Deniki you can apply the filters. So manu akkada across multiple data source level filter apply cheste what happened anedi మనం check చేద్దాం later one by one. Okay, now we are going to, so filter is here 3 types. Okay, what is the filter? Filter is nothing but here. So if you want to display the required data, you can use the filter. Okay, required data and తీసుకోవడానికి you can apply the filter, right? This is the 3 types. Okay, one is worksheet level filter, second one is data source level filter, and third one is across multiple data source level filter, right? Now we are going to worksheet level. Didn't check చేద్దాం. So in the worksheet level, filter lo manaki different again it will divide into the different parts here. Okay, again this is the worksheet level filter. Okay, worksheet level filter lo again it has a couple of types. So one is header level filter. Okay, header level filter, and second one is data view level filter. Okay, and third one is marks card level filter. Okay, and fourth one is cascading filter, context filter. Okay, context filter, cascading filter, quick filter. Okay, quick filter and parameter filter. Okay, these are the concept here. Okay, parameter filter. Okay, header level filter, data view level filter, marks card filter, context filter, cascading filter, quick filter, and parameter filter. Okay, these are the types in the worksheet level filter. Okay, worksheet level lo ivanni untayi anamata, right? So now we are going to header level filter. Suppose I am going to clear this one, I am writing the names as here only. Okay, so this is the header level filter. Okay, header level filter, and third one is data view level filter, data view. Okay, and third one is marks card level filter. Okay, marks card level filter, and fourth one is you can write anything. Okay, quick filter, and next context filter. Okay, context filter and cascading filter, cascading filter, and last one is parameter filter. Okay, parameter level filter. These are the 7 types, 8 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Type I will tell you that one. Okay, so header level filter, data view level filter, marks card level, quick filter, context filter, cascading filter, parameter filter. Okay, now we are going to header level filter. So what is the header level filter? So what is the header? Suppose I am taking the category. So these are the headers. Okay, these are the header. Now we are going to, these are the header here. Okay, header level filter. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా headers అన్నమాట. Okay, so ఈ header level you can apply the filter here. Okay, ఇక్కడ header level filter apply చేస్తే it will display the required data. Now I am going to clear this one. Okay, now I am taking the sales. Okay, sales, drag and drop into the column cell. Okay, so I want to display the header level filter, right? So right click here. Okay, I want to display the appliance. I want to display the label here. Right click here. Keep only. Keep only. Then it will display the label. That is called as header level filter. Very simple, right? Now we are going to data view level filter. Okay. Again, I am taking the continent. Okay. Data view level filter, right? So I am taking the profit into the column cell, right? Now I'm going to keep the descending order. I want to display the label also. Here I wanted to display the data. This is the data view level. View level means visualization area. Okay. Now I'm going to right click here. Okay. Now I'm going to here. Now I'm going to header level filter. Just keep only here. Whatever you can select, whatever it is. I want to select Africa here. Now keep only here. Okay. That is the data view level filter. Now we are going to marks card level filter. Again, I'm taking another data field like continent or container I'm taking here. So I want to display the something here. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the sales here. Okay. Now this is the marks card, right? So marks card. This is the marks card level filter. Okay. So we can apply the color here. Suppose I'm going to apply the color here. Okay. So the marks card taking the container. So the container taking into the color. It will display the different types of colors here. So right click here. I want to display the red color or orange color, whatever it is. Okay, just click here. So keep only. So very simple, right? So I want to display the, okay, right click here. I want to exclude. So the exclude remaining will be show in the visualization, right? Exclude. It will display that one. Suppose I'm going to click this one. I want to do exclude wrap back. Okay, click this one, exclude. The data will be gone outside, right? So this is called as the marks card level filter, right? Now we are going to quick filter, right? So quick filter. So I'm taking the category here. Now, okay, it's good. Now I'm taking this profit into the column cell. Now it's good, very, and the same thing, descending order, keep descending order. So the label here. So I want to display the color also here. So now I want to go to hide this record here. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to display the reduce the display the size. Okay. Now this is the I'm going to discuss with the quick filter. So right click on this. Okay. Right click on the category. So filter. So this is the quick filter. Here it will display the side of the box, right? So in this, I want to display the technology. I want to display the multiple field here. Okay. I want to do uncheck all first. Keep the uncheck. Then what happened? All are will be unchecked. Now I want to display chairs, table, labels, papers, envelopes, whatever it is, you can click here. Then it will display the quick filter. Immediately it will show the all the values. So I want to display some values here. Okay, click here. Click here. Remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, remove that. By using the quick filter, this is the quick filter, right? Okay. Now I want to display the appliance, right? I want to display the computer peripherals. So it will display like this. This is called as the quick filter, right? Now again I'm coming to header level filter. So header level filter. So header level filter. Right click here. Now I'm going to edit filter here. So these are the filter, right? Suppose I'm going to leave this one. So these are the header. These are the header. Now I want to display something here. Okay, something data field. I want to display something here. Just click here. I wanted to keep you only. So header level filter. Now coming to data view level and remove this one. So I want to display the first one, last one, right? Okay. Mouse ni hover చేసినప్పుడు it will display the keep only exclude. I wanted to display the keep only. Okay, now marks cut filter. So here I'm going to remove all again. Okay, now I'm going to apply the unit fraction to the column self here. Now I'm going to keep the descending order. Now I'm going to contain drag and drop color self here. Okay, now I'm going to display the large box here. Click here. Okay, now I'm going to keep only. Then this is the marks cut level. Now again I'm going to quick filter, clear this one. Okay, I want to display the order date here. So I want to display sales into the column self here. Now I'm going to use the quick filter. Right click here. Now I'm going to show filter. Then it will display the different years. I want to display the 30. It will display some value. So I want to display the 12. It will display some value. So if you want to color this, you can keep it the color here also. So this is the color line. So based on this, we can use the header level, data view level, marks cut level, quick filter. Okay. Now we are going to, so this is the context filter and cascading. Now we are going to cascading filter, right? Now we are going to cascading filter. So what is the cascading filter? So cascading filter is nothing but a simple. This is a hierarchy level filter. So hierarchy level filter. So the relationship between the values. Okay. So what is, okay. Header level filter means, cascading filter means the relationship between the data fields. Okay. That is called as a hierarchy level filter. Suppose I'm going to order date, drag and drop in the row self here. Okay. So in that order date, I want to display the year. This is the year. I want to display the quarter here. So this is the quarter. I want to display the month here. I want to display the date here. What happened here? The values are designed by the hierarchy model. Okay. This is the concept. Now the values are drag and drop in the column cell. I want to display some chart here. So whatever it is. This is the cascading filter. Now I'm going to clear this one. Now I'm creating the hierarchy filter. Okay. Category, container, continent, and region. So these are the, I'm creating hierarchy structure. Okay. Now right click here. Now I'm going to create hierarchy. Keep it. You can give the any name. Okay. I'm giving my name also for the understanding purpose. Okay. Now the Lakshman will be created. Right. The Lakshman drag and drop in the row self here. What happened? The values are coming like this. Now I'm going to drill up. It will display content. Again, I'm going to click the plus button. Again, I'm going to plus button. What happened here? Category wise, container wise, content wise, region wise. This is called as the cascading filter. Now I'm going to apply the sales here. So it will display the value here. If you go into the text here, it will display text here. If you go into apply the circle view, it will display the circle view. If you go into the bubble chart, you can go to the bubble chart. This is the concept of the cascading filter. Right? Right. Now we are going to context filter. So what is the context filter? So for example, context filters means context filter. Okay. So context and what is the context? So it is a individual value, right? Context means one election we can somebody going to the పోటీ చేస్తారు కాబట్టి దట్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ అంటారు. సింగిల్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ నేను ఒక ఇండివిజువల్ నిలబడతాను అంటారు కదా, దట్ ఈస్ ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ అనమాట. సో పోటీ చేయడానికి అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద 2 filters, filter 1, filter 2. Okay, I'm taking 2 filter here. Okay, 1 filter, 2 filter. Then first filter will act as a independently. So it is working as a independently. ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్టర్. Then again I'm going to the second filter. It is also act as a independent. So it is act as independent work chestam. Okay, here I'm going to, when you apply the context filter, suppose we can apply into the context for here only, it will act as a dependent filter. Then din meeda idi aadhar padutu untadi. So this filter, the second filter dependent to the first filter. Or else if you apply the context filter into the second filter, this filter act as a layer, this will act as a dependent filter to the second filter. Okay, got it? Suppose I'm taking the context filter, right? Again I'll tell you context filter. Okay, context filter. So suppose I'm taking the category here. This is the category is the one filter. Okay, okay. Now second one is container. For example, container. Okay, container. So this filter act as independently. Okay, first independent గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, independent గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. And this is also act as a independent, right? Independent గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ఇండిపెండెంట్ కూడా. దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లై ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్ ఇంటూ ద దేనికైనా సరే యూ క్యాన్ అప్లై ఇంటూ ద దీనికి కానీ సో దేనికి కానీ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకే, మీరు దేనికైనా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రజెంట్ నేను కేటగిరీకి కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్ అప్లై చేసి దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఏ డిపెండెంట్ ఫిల్టర్ టు ద అదర్ ఫిల్టర్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇది లీడర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ ఏమవుతుంది దీని కింద ఇది ఆధారపడుతుంది. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ టీచర్, మీరు స్టూడెంట్స్, మీరు నా కింద ఉన్నారు, నేను క్లాస్ చెప్తే మీరు అన్నారు. సో మీరు ఎవరికైనా క్లాస్ చెప్పారనుకోండి, వాళ్ళు మీ మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యి ఉంటారు, అవునా? సో మీరు నా మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యి ఉంటారు క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి. మీరు ఇంకెవరికైనా క్లాస్ చెప్పారనుకోండి, ద గైస్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, మీ మీద అలా ఆధారపడి ఉంటారు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్. ఓకే, అర్థమైందిగా? I feel you can understand what I'm saying here. Suppose I am going to remove this one. Okay, now I'm going to the two filters. For example, I'm taking the category row cell. So right click here. Now I'm going to, so this is the quick filter, right? So quick filter. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మన వాల్యూస్ ఇది డిపెండెంట్ గా ఇండివిజువల్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు డిపెండెంట్ కాదు, ఇది దేని మీద ఆధారపడలే. సో ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. If you display the what ever it is, you can click it by field. It will display the values are like this. Okay, now forget this about. Okay, now I'm going to continent here. Okay, continent. Okay, show filter. Okay, now I'm going to apply this one. So okay, now I'm going to show all. Okay, show all. Now I'm going to Africa. Now I'm going to Asia. See here names are going to some filler hiding, some filler showing the display, right? Now I'm going to all check on. So it will display the Australia. See, this is the Australia. Then it will depend on the, it is act as independent. Suppose I'm going to remove this one only. Okay, category remove. So it will display the independent, right? Okay, basically two filters act as independently. Okay, now suppose we are going to apply the context filter into the filter set. Okay, now run two filters apply chesanu. So right click on the one filter. See, this is the add to context. Then what happened here? So what happened here? The color will be changed. Brown color వచ్చింది కదా, ఒక కలర్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇది లీడర్, దాని కింద ఇది ఉందన్నమాట. అంటే ఇది డిపెండెంట్, ఇదేమో ఇండిపెండెంట్. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద అన్చెక్ కలర్, రైట్? ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కీప్ ద ఆఫ్రికా. సో కీప్ ఇట్ ఆల్. సో ఆఫ్రికాలో ఏ డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్ అన్ని దీని డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఏసియా. ఓకే, ఏసియాలో ఏ డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ అంటే ఏసియాకి సంబంధించిన కేటగిరీలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని కూడా డిస్ప్లే చేయబడుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఉండవు. ఇక్కడ టెలిఫోన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉందా, టేబుల్స్ ఉందా, స్టోరేజ్ ఉందా. సో ఇలాగ డిఫరెంట్ కాలమ్స్. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్ట్రేలియా, యూరప్. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ఇట్. ఓకే, ఒక ఫిల్టర్ అనేది ఇంకో దాని మీద ఆధారపడ్డాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్. బై అప్లై ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్. ఓకే, దీని టాస్క్ నేను తర్వాత చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫినిష్ ద వర్క్షీట్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్. ఓకే, వీటి టాస్క్ మళ్ళీ నేను ఇస్తాను. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పారామీటర్ ఫిల్టర్. ఓకే, సో పారామీటర్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పారామీటర్? సో పారామీటర్ ఇస్ డైనమిక్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, డైనమికల్ గా వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద పారామీటర్. ఓకే, సో డైనమిక్ మీన్స్ కస్టమైజ్డ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, కస్టమైజ్ ఫిల్టర్ అనమాట. ఓకే, కస్టమైజ్ మనం డైనమిక్ గా మనం ఫిల్టర్ అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లియర్ దిస్ వన్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సో పారామీటర్ క్లియర్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ద కస్టమర్ నేమ్ into the row cell here. Now I want to display the sales into the column cell here. So here I want to display the descending order. Okay, now I want to display the text values here also. Okay, text value. Here I want to display the top 5 customers. Okay, top 5 customers. Then what should you do? Simply we are going to the show filter. Okay, edit filter. Okay, edit filter and user. I am going to top here. I am selected by field here. Now I am going to top 5. Okay, top 5 customer. So top 5 customer sales here. Okay, edit this one. Now I am going to here. Top 10 customer here. Right? Apply. Okay, top 10 customer here. Okay, edit this one. Edit this filter. Now I am going to apply the top 15 here. Apply. Okay. So this is the generally you can do the top 5, top 20, whatever it is. Now if you apply the dynamically parameter. సో ఇప్పుడు పారామీటర్ లెవెల్లో చూద్దాం. సింపుల్ గా ఇలా చేసాము. ఇదే మెథడ్ పారామీటర్ లెవెల్ ఎలా చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, క్లియర్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, now I'm going to take in the customer name into the row cell and add all numbers. Now I'm taking the sales into the column cell here. Okay, now I'm going to keep the descending order. I wanted to text here. Okay, click the text here. Now parameter wise now మనం dynamically గా customized ఎలా చేయాలో చెక్ చేస్తాం. Okay, now same as right click here. Now I'm going to show filter here. Okay, now edit filter here. So now I'm going to select the top here. Okay, by field. So now we are going to select, this is the select, create parameter here. Okay, if you click the parameter, it will display parameter wizard. Click here. Okay, this is the parameter. So the parameter level you can give something. I'll give the name something here. Okay, now so apply. Okay, you can't do anything. Okay, just apply. Okay, so what happened here? Something going on, something happened inside. Okay, check. Now this is the parameter. While creating the parameter fielder created by separated data field. Right? Suppose you are going to click the drop down, it will display the create parameter, something name. You can give the any name. Okay, so so apply. These are the different data types. Suppose మన float value కావాలనుకోండి, you can select the float value. If you want to click the integer, you can select the integer. If you want to click the string, you can select the string value. If you want to click the boolean, you can click the boolean. If you want data type, you can do anything else. Okay, this is the different types of data type. So based on this, you can select. Present, I am selecting only integer string. Okay, now, so if you create the parameter, okay, it will display the one. Give the any name here. Okay, apply. Okay, then what happened here? One data field created here. Okay, again I'm going to create parameter. If you give the parameter name is something else. Okay, something name, you can give any name nowadays. Okay, now you can change the data type here. Apply. Again it will create it. Right, same as a parameter, like parameter level work chestam. Right, okay, now so parameter here. So parameter, see, it will display 10 here. Okay, I want to display the customized values, required values. Suppose Kranti asking, I want to display the top 15. Just analyze this one. Okay, now Amar asking, I want to display top 50 here, top 30, top 40, top 50, like that. Krishna asking something 100. You can increase the dynamically, you can increase the values. Okay, right. So this is called as the parameter level. Okay, again I'm going to create the parameter here. So suppose here I'm going to simple one. I'm taking category here. Now I'm going to take in the sales apply into the column self here. Now I'm going to descending order. I want to display text here. Now I'm going to right click on the category. So filter. Now I'm going to edit filter here. Now I'm going to user and top. Now I'm going to by field. Now create parameter here. Just create parameter. Now the parameter name is category. You can give any name. Okay, okay, something. Okay, now I'm give something name. Now I'm going to apply. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, now this one is, you can hide this one, no need to record here. Okay, now this one is show parameter here. Now I want to reduce the size here. What happened here? The values are dynamically reduced by using this method. Right, got my points here. Okay, these are the all values. Okay, these are the all values. Okay, now we can create different method. Okay, now I'm going to create parameter here. So now I'm going to create parameter here. So the parameter name is something here. Okay, you can give something. Okay, now I'm selecting integer or string, whatever it is. Apply. Okay, okay, now I'm creating parameter here. Okay, parameter create just that. Now I'm going to here. So this is a different method. Okay, now I'm going to the customer name or continent, whatever it is, drag and drop here. Now I'm going to select the profit and the column self here. Now I'm going to keep descending order. I'll keep the text label. I want to display color here. Okay, now I want to display the show filter. Now I'm going to edit filter. Now I'm going to user. Now I'm going top here. Here I'm selecting by field. Now I'm going to here. See something. This is the parameter, right? Earlierly I'm creating something. This is the parameter name. Select this one. Okay, select this one, apply. Okay, then close the all, add the cards. Now add the cards. Now I'm going to something here. Now I'm going to something here. So parameter here. Okay, click something. Okay, now I'm going to, you can select the, you can type it to enter. Now I'm going to enter. Now I'm going to Fourier. So this is the created, how to create the parameter. Okay, so these are the different types of the worksheet level filter. Okay, now we are going to the data source level filter. Okay, data source level filter. Data source level filter. Okay, we can complete the two concept here. Okay, I'm saying here. I'm saying here, first one is filters. Filter. What is the filter here? Required. You can display the required field. Okay, required in display చేస్తాం. Required field in display చేస్తాం. Right? Now this is the three types: worksheet level filter, next data source level filter, and across multiple data source level. In the worksheet level, you can apply the different types, nearly 8 types of them. This is the only one type. This is the only one type. Now we are going to the data source level filter. Okay. Now I'm going to data source level filter. So before going to data source level filter, so you can able to see order date drag and drop in the row shelf here. Then it will display the 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we are going to, this is the data source level filter. You can apply the data source. Okay, this is the data source. Click here. Now we are going to, so these are the data field present in the data source level. Okay, so data source level, you need data fields on there. So now we are going to, you can, ఇక్కడ మనం filter out చేస్తాం. Right? ఇక్కడ మనం filter out చేస్తాం. See, now we are going to go to slowly scroll down here. So you can check it. Here order date is there. Na? In the order date, you can apply the filter here. Okay, order date. Now I'm going to click the add filter. This is the add filter, right? Add filter. Now I'm going to add here. Now I'm going to order date here. Click that one. It will display the year. Okay, next. So it will display the all the year. Now we are going to apply the, I want to display the 13 year. Okay, apply, apply. Okay. So the values are 13. Okay, 2013. Now we are going to data source level filter sheet. Now it will display 13. Before it will show the all the years, right? Okay. Now I'm going to another data sheet. Now order date drag and drop into the row cell. What happened here? See, it will display the 2013. Before it will display the 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So whenever you apply the data source level filter, it will require the filter. Then sheet level, it will affect the sheet level. Suppose we are going to here. For example, I'm going to another one. Suppose container continent తీసుకుంటున్నాను. I'm taking the continent. In the continent, so I want to display the ACA only. So remaining నాకు అవసరం లేదనుకోండి. Sheet level continent. I'm going to working as a data source level filter. Now I'm going to data source level. So we are going to continent, right? Check it where it is continent. First continent. Okay, this is the continent, right? Now I'm going to edit filter. Now I'm going to add filter. Now I'm going to continent here. Okay, it will display the ACR, right? I want to display the ACR. Apply. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to sheet 12. Only it will display the ACR. What happened remaining? Remaining all values are ID by using the filter concept. So this is the concept of the data source level filter. So whatever you need filter, you can apply here. So whatever you can take any data type. Country తీసుకోండి, continent తీసుకోండి, content తీసుకోండి, segment, customer, whatever you can take anything you can take the data filter. So ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి, ఈ metadata ఏదైనా తీసుకొని you can apply the add filter. Then it will display the only required data field. So this is called as the data source level filter. Okay. So do you have any query in this? Sukumar, Kranti, Amar, do you have any query in this? Did you understand what I'm saying here now? I feel you can understand. Okay. Again, I'm going to simplify all the stuff here. Now I'm going to here filter concept. Okay. In the filter concept of, it is a worksheet level filter, 3 types. Okay. And the second one is data source level filter. And third one is across multiple data source level filter. Again, I am going to worksheet level filter, header level filter, okay, data view level filter, header marks card level filter, okay, quick filter, context filter, cascading filter, and parameter filter. Again, data source level filter, we can filter out the required field here. Okay, suppose 20 on there, 30 on there. So I want display the 20. You can apply the data source level filter. Okay, this is the concept of the filter. Okay, tomorrow we are going to the across multiple data source level filter sheet level. 1, 2, 3. You can create a different sheet here. So you can apply the across multiple data source level filter. Okay, data source level filter. This is the concept of the filtering methods. So this is the 100% interview point and real times also